from this material to this. Hello guys, good day and welcome to another vlog or another video on the light bag collection. I hope you guys are staying good. I hope you guys are enjoying your days and your work and the project you are doing. So here is another video we'll be making today. So what we'll be making on this video today on this particular channel is bucket hats. As you can see, I have my illustration down and the design I'll be using for the bucket hat. So as you can see, this is it here. So guys, as usual, before I start the video fully, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video. Make sure to like, give a thumbs up to this video, share with your friends, and leave us a comment in the comment section below, please. YouTube is letting me to know that close to 65% of people watching this video are not subscribed, but they keep coming back to watch. I don't know why, but it seems, since you are coming back, it seems you are enjoying this video, or you are finding something that is making you to come back on this video, that is helping you out. So please, you can be a permanent subscriber as well to join the crew. Please make sure to subscribe to this channel. So without no further ado, let's keep and let's proceed to what we are supposed to be making today. So welcome back guys. Never mind the date you are seeing up here. So this is the design slash the illustration of the bag. So this is the hat I will be making. What measurements did I have here? The top, I have the top, which is the cover of the head, which is 6 inch. This is inch. So down here I have it, I will cut it round. It will be from here to here to be this place, it will be 6. From here to the center will be 3. So I will use my compass to make a cycle round. So when I finish making the cycle, if I measure it to give me my circumference, so the half of it will be a segment and the quarter will be a sector. So I hope I'm right. If I'm not right, please correct me, don't mock me on this video. So then the height of the hat will be 4.5 inch, which is probably here. Then the round of my, I'm using my head, I'm using a size 24 measurement. So this is one part of it, which is 12.5. At least we will give a seam allowance space for me to be able to sew it together. So the circumference of the hat will be 24 inch. So I had each half inch to each side, which is now 12.5 inch. Then the wideness, the gap, the wideness between the front that will cover your face a little bit, or maybe you want to raise it up, will be 3 inch. So is after we cut this place and this particular place, so we will now determine the round. Actually, this place, this particular sector, this particular part is going to be the same measurement with this, which is 24. This down, after we finish cutting, it depends on how slopey or how we want the shape here to be, that will determine the measurement of this particular side. So without no further ado, I have all my materials down here. So I'll first draft out the pattern on my cardboard paper. So after I finish that, then I will place it on the material and cut it out. I may not show that part, but I will keep you guys updated as everything is going. So make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell and share this video. So let's proceed without no further ado. So here we have it guys. After a few attempts, I finally bring out the pattern. But what I did is I've cut the side of it and the head. This is it. I make the pattern already, as you can see. Then the front as well, I've made it after a few attempts. I made the first one, as you can see, it's too small. Then I finally get it on this. So this is the full size. I will make 2 of it that will make the front, and this is the Ankara fabrics I'll be using. One of the material I was supposed to use, I didn't show at the beginning of the video, is this macro I will cut to fit the Ankara to that, so that it will be like the interface. It's not like it's the interface for the Ankara. reinforcement. So this is it. It's called Mako, as you can see. It has like a woven texture with I will say with some fiber inside. So that's it. So we proceed to assembling it. So what I will do is I have not cut the front yet. What I want to do is I want to sew and fit to know how everything is going, because this is the first time I will be making these bucket hats on this particular level. I've made some before but not this type, so this is the first time. So I will sew and keep fitting to get it right. So I hope you guys enjoying the video as well, and I've shown you all the measurements I cut here. So let's proceed to sewing and we shall see you on the other side. So what I'm trying to do now is here is it. I try to slant it. I cut it on this side. As you can see, it's not balanced. If I say I should put these two together, you see I cut this place so that I can slant it the up so that it will look direct the way it's supposed to look. So now I'll start sewing and assembling it. So I just finished stitching it now. As you can see, this is the inside. So you may be wondering that this hack you are seeing here, what's the meaning of this hack? When I was shaping it, the side I shaped from the top, I didn't actually give it a thought or measure it. So at the end of the day, when I discovered that it's too much, I decided to stitch a little bit here to give it like a design of a hack. So that is it, if you are wondering. So this is the inside. I will try as much as possible now to turn it outside to see how it's going to look like, because that's the reason why I've not finished cutting the part. I want to sew and fit to see how it's going to look like. So let me turn this now on the camera. So this is how the outside look like, and I think this is how I'm going to leave it. The next thing I'm to do now is to add the outside that will cover the face to it. So without no further ado, we'll proceed to that now. I don't want the long video to be too long or with unnecessary stuff. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, click the notification bell. So guys, here is the front. As you can see, I've used the pattern to cut it from the Mako. I use my clip to hold it down. Here's the Mako. The black side. So I just finished cutting one. I'll cut the other side now. So the two will be attached together at the center of this. So I just decided to show you this so that you see the process, how it's going. It won't be as if I just start from the beginning and end it up without showing you the normal process. So if you are trying this, you might do it this way, or you might do it some people prefer to do this in four. These parts you are seeing, they will still cut it into two, then attach it. It's a designable stuff after you finish making it, but I decided to do mine in a two-way. So I've cut the first one now. I'll place it on the Mako again and use my clip to attach it down, and cut out the second part before I attach it to this particular part. So as you can see, after we finish, it will be of this way. So anticipate for how it's going. Just keep anticipating. We shall see how it look like in a few minutes. Thank you guys for watching. So guys, as you can see, I've finished the first one and I've done everything. As you can see, I sewed the outside as well. See the way the stitching is very neat. Very neat. So here's the second one. I've also stitched the inside. It's left for me now to turn it this way. You make sure the front is facing each other, then you turn it this way. You can keep this aside. After you turn it, then you put it inside back. So here you have it. Then you put this inside back. You make sure you balance everything with your hands the way you want it to be. After you finish this, then you you stitch the outside as well. After you stitch the outside, then we are going to join these two together so that we can sew our full part to it. So stay tuned for how everything will be going. So I will start the rest of it right now. So guys, I try to put the two together as much as possible beside each other, the main material, the finished product, and the material we use to start it. So this is the final product. As you can see guys, actually they made the cap may not be perfect, the art may not be perfect. As you see, there is adjustment here which I'm supposed to amend, but I will leave it that way. But when you are making yours, please don't let it to be that way. You try as much as possible to amend it. So this is the final product. As you can see, here is the inside. I didn't put any lining on anything inside. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. When you subscribe, click the notification bell so that you get notified each and every time we upload a new video that you love, that will add value to you and you will enjoy. Make sure to like, share, and leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, here's the final product. Let me try to remove the label. Here it is. Here's my hat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a comment in this comment section below. What do you think of? I can wear it either way I want. I can wear it this way from the side. Look, even as it is like this, a lady can just put it on. So here is it, just like for the army, you know, Louis Vuitton hats. So here you have it guys. We'll see you in the next video in few days. So peace out and keep subscribing to this channel. Bye.